Again, don't be put off when you see story problems. Just read them carefully. I read them out loud to myself. In an experiment, Rich, he memorized lists of names. Okay, so each week he recites the list, and the number of names he remembers is recorded. Okay, so here they do. They're going to give you an equation that represents P. P is the percent. Okay, so this is my percent right here. Percent. So make sure you look at left variables, you try to figure out what they're referring to, and then N represents how many weeks. So that represents how many weeks. Then go down and look at the question. What percent, okay, we're going to be finding P of names, does Rich remember after 2 weeks? What's my N going to be? Look, 2 weeks, what's my N going to be? My N is going to be 2. So what you're going to do is you are going to plug 2 in for N in this equation, and you're going to solve for P. So you are going to solve the equation P equals 100 times 9 over 10 to the second power. This is a calculator problem. If I was going to do this calculator problem, okay, I would take 9 over 10. Let me show you my calculator here. I'm going to do this calculator problem. I have to do things in order of operations here, guys, so I have to figure out what 9/10 is and then take it to second power. I would take 9 divided by 10 and get it in decimal form. It gives me 0.9. Then I would take that to the second power and get an answer, and it's 0.81. I take it back here, wait a second. 0.9 to the second power, 0.81. There we go. And then I would multiply that times 100. And so I am going to leave you to that to find your percent. So again, just read the story problems carefully and don't let all the words trip you up. Go through and find what the variables represent and make sure you go and find out what they want you to find. In this case, they want you to find the percent of names. So don't let it confuse you.